Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see your new chapter, that is lines and angles. Then your first introduction is acute angle. This acute angle is 0 degree less than x less than 90 degree. Second angle is right angle. Right angle is always 90 degree, means y equal to 90 degree. Then obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means it is more than 90 degree, that is 90 degree is less than, here you will write z less than 180 degree. Then straight line angle. Straight line means you will write here x equal to 180 degree, means its measurement is 180 degree. This whole measurement is 180 degree. Then reflex angle. Reflex angle means in this type, means this will be lies in 180 degree, less than t, less than 360. Then adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means this ABD and TBC, they are the adjacent angles. And here ABC equal to angle ABD plus DBC. Then linear pair of angles. Linear pair means you will draw the line, that is AC, and take a ray on this line. Its name is BD, and it make this angle and this angle and this whole angle 180 degree. Then which type you can write? Angle ABD plus angle DBC equal to 180 degree. Then vertically opposite angles. Then two lines are intersecting O. Two lines are intersecting O. This angle and this angle, they are called the vertically opposite angle. That is AOD equal and BOC, they are the vertically angle. And also AOC and DOB, they are the vertically angles. Intersecting lines, these are the intersecting line, they are intersecting one point, and they are non-intersecting line because they are not intersect to each other, they are separate lines. Then see your next here. Your theorem 6.1. If two lines intersects, if two lines intersects each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Then what is your heading? If two lines are intersects each other, they are vertically opposite angles. Then first you will write here. First you will draw the diagram, that is this type. This is O, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. This OA stands for CD and this OD stands for AB. Then here you will write given. Here AB and CD be the two lines and they are intersecting O. AB and BD, AB and CD, they are two lines and they are intersecting O. Then to prove. Here vertically opposite angles are equal, means these are the vertically opposite angles, this and this and this. Then you will suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4 angle. 1, 2, 3, 4 angle. This 1 and 3 they are vertically opposite angles, means they are equal, and this 2 and 3 they are also vertically angled, then they are equal. First again you will see this 1 and 3 and 2 and 4, sorry, this 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. Then here prove. First you will write the given condition. Given condition means what? AB and CD, they are the two lines and they are intersecting in O. AB and CD are intersecting in O point. Then next line you will write this OA stands for CD. This OA stands for CD. Ray OA stands for on a line CD. On a line C. This OA stands on line CD, means you will write this type, means you will make this type angle, means they are the linear pair, and linear pair is always 180 degree. Then by linear pair, then angle 1 equal to, sorry, angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to what? 180 degree, because this AOC you will suppose angle 1, and in AOD you will suppose angle 2, then they are added, then you will get 180 degree. And again you will see here next condition, this ray OD stands on a line AB. Ray OD stands on a line AB. Then here you will make a linear pair, means this AOD, this is angle, you will suppose here angle 2, and this BOD here angle 3 is present. Then which type you can write? Angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to what? 180 degree, and this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. They are 180 degree, then they are equal. Then you will compare from 1 and 2. Compare equations 1 and 2. We get, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. This angle 2 and angle 2 they are cut because they are same. Then you will write here angle 1 equal to angle 3. To prove means angle 1 equal to angle 3, and they are the vertically opposite angles. Similarly, you can write your second angle, that is similarly angle 2 equal to angle 4. And they are the vertically opposite angles. They are the vertically opposite angles. Then see the next example. Then exercise 6.1. Then your first example is in figure lines AB and CD. Lines AB and CD intersect at O. Intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree, then find angle BOE and reflex angle COE and reflex angle COE. Then draw the diagram. This diagram is given in your textbook. Then here, which are your given condition? Then you will read your first example. In figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. This AB and CD, they are intersect at O. Angle AOC plus BOE. AOC plus BOE means this angle and this angle, they are added, then you will get 70 degree. Then first you will write your given condition, that is angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to what? 70 degree. This angle and this angle, they are added, then you will get 70 degree. And BOD equal to 40 degree. This BOD equal to what? 40 degree. Angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Then find BOE. BOE, you will find BOE. This is question 1. And reflex COE and reflex COE. Then which type you can find? Then see here. Here, this AB is a straight line, and this first angle, this second angle, this third angle, they are stands on this AB. Means ray OC and ray OE, they are stands for a line AB. Then which type you can write? Bilinear pair. Bilinear pair. Then you will write here angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB equal to what? 180 degree, because they are in linear pair. But here AOC and BOE, they are added, means this and this, they are added, then you will get 70 degree. Then you will write here, but angle AOC plus angle EOB and BOE, they are the same. EOB and BOE, they are the same. They are 70 degree. Then you will put here 70 degree plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. And therefore angle COE equal to 180 minus 70. And therefore angle COE equal to what? 110 degree. Equal to what? 110 degree. Then see the next is you will find your reflex COE. Then again you will write here this CD stands for means ray EO and ray OB stands for a line CD. Then again you will make a linear pair. This type you will make a linear pair. And again you will write here bilinear pair. Bilinear pair. This linear pair. Then here first angle, here second angle, here third angle, means you will write here angle COE angle EOB plus angle BOD equal to what? 180 degree. But angle COE equal to what? 110 degree. Then we will put here 110 degree plus angle EOB is not given separately plus angle BOD means what? 40. Then you will write here 40 equal to what? 180 degree. And then 110 you will write here 110 plus 40, that is 150 degree plus angle EOB equal to what? 180 degree. And angle BOE you will write here EOB or BOE, they are the same. Then equal to 180 minus 150, then angle BOE equal to what? 30 degree. Angle BOE is what? 30 degree. Then you will find your next, that is reflex angle COE. Then reflex angle COE, its formula is what? 360 minus angle COE. You will subtract, then you will get the reflex angle. Then what is COE? 110. Then equal to 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Then what is your answer? 250. And this is your final answer. Then see the next example. Then question number 2. In figure, lines XY and MA intersect at O if angle POY equal to 90 degree and A has to be equal to 2 has to 3, then find C. Then draw a diagram. This diagram is given in your textbook. Lines XY and MN intersect at O. Angle POY equal to 90 degree. A has to be equal to 2 has to 3. Then find C. Then here, this POY is 90 degree. Then first your condition is this straight line. This OM and PO, they are two rays and they are stands on a line XY. Then first condition you will write given angle POY equal to 90 degree. A has to be equal to 2 has to 3 and C equal to what? Question mark. Then solve this example. Then by linear pair. Then this linear pair. Then first we will write angle POX plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. Then angle POX here, angle POY is given 90 degree, then you will write here 90, then 180 equal to 180. Then angle POX equal to 180 minus 90. Then you will get 90 degree. Means your angle POX equal to what? 90 degree. Means this is also a right angle. In POS, A and B, there are the two angles present. Then first you will write its A has to be equal to 2 has to 3. Then you will write here A divided by B equal to 2 divided by 3 equal to K. Then A, this 2 will be transferred in this side, that is 2, and this B will be transferred upper side, that is B by 3 equal to K. Then you will get a 2 values, that is A equal to 2K, and this B by 3 equal to K, then B equal to 3K. Again you will see A by 2 equal to K, that is A equal to 2K, and B by 3 equal to K, that is B equal to 3K. Then here POX is 90 degree. Angle POX equal to what? 90 degree. Then in POX, which angles are present? A and B. Then you will write here A plus B equal to 90 degree. But A equal to what? 2K. And B equal to what? 3K. Then you will put here 2K plus 3K equal to 90 degree. That is 5K equal to 90 degree. Then K equal to 90 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Then 4. 5 eights are. Then K equal to what? 18 degree. And put in A and B this K value. Then you will get AB. That is A equal to 2K. Then 2 into 18. That is 36 degree. And B equal to 3K. That is 3 into 18. Then you will get 54 degree. But in your question C is question mark. Then which type you can solve this C? Again you will see here, this is linear pair. This OX stands for, this ray OX stands on a line, a main. Then this is a linear pair. Linear pair means you will write here B plus C equal to what? 180 degree, because this is lies on which line? On a main line. Then again you will write by linear pair, that is B plus C equal to 180 degree. But what is B value? B value is 54. B value is 54. Then we put here 54 plus 180 minus 54. Then C equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2 and 1. Means your final answer is what? C equal to 126 degree. C equal to 126 degree. Then see your next example. Third question is, in figure, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. PQR equal to PRQ equal to and PQS equal to PRT. Then your diagram is this type. This is also given in your textbook. This is P, this is Q, this is R, and this is S, and this is T. Again you will see PQS and PRT. This is your given diagram. Then you will see your question. Then read this. angle PQR, this PQR means this angle, equal to angle PRQ means this angle. They are the same. Means first you will write your given condition, that is angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. This is your given condition. Then next is to prove. To prove means angle PQS, this, and angle PRT, this and this. Angle PQS equal to angle PRT. This is to prove. Then your proof. Here this triangle stands on a line ST. Means you will write here bilinear pair, here also bilinear pair. Then which type you can write? Bilinear pair. This PQS, angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to what? 180 degree, and this is your equation 1. Then again you will write here bilinear pair. Angle PRQ equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT equal to what? 180 degree. Then equation number 2. Again you will see this PQS plus PQR, they are 180, and PRQ and PRT, they are 180 degrees. They are added, then you will get 180 degree. Here 180 degree, here 180 degree. Then you will compare equations 1 and 2. Compare equations 1 and 2. We get. Then you will write here angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. But your given condition is what? This angle PQR equal to PRQ means they are same. They are same. Here you will write but angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Then you will put here PQR. Then your answer is angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to angle PQR, because they are same. Then again you will write PQR plus angle PRT, and they are cancelled. And then you will write your last position is angle PQS equal to angle PRT. And this is your proof. This is your proof. And here you will completed your question number 3. And at the rest we will see in the next lecture.